First 5, Iraya. Jersey number 30, Bunaobra. Number 1, Bunaobra. Number 6, Nodado. Number 25, Bron. And number 19, Bernardo. First 5 of Warshak. Jersey number 20, Bunaobra. Jersey number 18, Monciano. Jersey number 35, Monciano. Jersey number 91, Butalon. And jersey number 7, Sabaresa. First 5, please proceed to the center court. First 5, mapo na tabi na. Tamay na skimpang. Pangalan lang ka may concern. Paging tabi. Paging po, School Chairman. Paging. Si ano naman ang palahog, si Salazar. Bunaobra, pass to Bunaobra. Yes, for 2 points, Bunaobra. Kinit. Pass to Bunaobra ang puri. Pass to Kinit. Monciano. Alas 5, Bunaobra. 14 to shoot. Sabaresa. Rebound by Bron. Kick Bunaobra. Nag-dribble. Pass to steal by Sabaresa. To Monciano. Monciano. Was correct. Jersey number 1. Bunaobra.
Ay, si Robin, may jersey mo sa kasi bakit kinuha mo? Dumog gayon.
Sabaresa. Inbounding the ball.
Mana saro? Open!
Sabaresa. Pass to Monciano. To Sabaresa. To Monciano. Pass to Bunaobra. Lugus. Rebound by Ron. Pass to up. It's a traveling violation. Bunaobra kick. Turnover. Score 2-1. Ay 2-0. Iraya.
Tapos?
Wala rin.
Tapos lang mula oh.
Walang bola. Sabret. Salazar out. No Dadwin. Jersey number 6. Sabaresa. Naghanap ng goal. Yun na. Yata kay Monciano, jersey number 35. Sabaresa. Pass to Anthony. Pass to Bunaobra. Yes. Good for 2 points. Bunaobra kick. Monciano. Pass to Monciano. Aras by Bunaobra. Off correct. 25, roll, leading. Okay, 2 free throw. Yes, good for 1 point, first throw. Okay, jumper, 24, the last throw. By Key, by Monciano. Kinit. Yes. They call 2 points. Monciano. Kinis. Una bakit? Pass to Bron. Bron to Nodalo. Nodalo. Lugo di ba may Sabarisa to Monciano. Ayan, nagbababali. Lugo. Di ba ang bazon? Bola obra kick to bola obra. Lugo. Rebound by kick to Bron. Jersey number 25. Lugos. Rebound by Monciano. Monciano to Monciano. Pass to. Osporet. Jersey number 9. 19 rep. 19. 19. Bron. Ayan. Bernardo. Sabarisa. Tumuncano kit tumira ng 3. No rebound by Bron. Tumundalo. Pass to kit. Bola obra. Oh yan. Didiskarte. Pass to Bron. Jersey number 25 to Bernardo. Tumundalo. Lugo. Rebound by Monciano. Pass to Sabarisa. Sabarisa. To Anthony Bola obra. Aras by Bonobra. Up. Osporet. Jersey number 1. Bonobra. Pushing foul. Warning for the penalty ang Iraya. Sabret. Bonobra. Jersey number 1. Bonobra to Monciano. Monciano tumira ng 3. Oh! Ali, tabi kay Ford. Butalon. Ludado to Salazar. Salazar. Castubron. Pass to Salazar to Ludado. Lugo. Rebound by Monciano. Sabarisa. Aras by Ludado. Sabarisa, aras by Ludado. Ayan na, nagpapadali. Lugo, bumabay ang pali. Osporet. Jersey number 25. Knocking foul. Okay. Penalty. Sabret. Brown out. Reyes in. Okay. Pick 2. Yes, it's for 1 point. Bona Obra Anthony. Okay, jumpers ready for the last row by Bona Obra Anthony. Score 4-3. No good. Rebound by Bernardo to Bona Obra Kit. Aras by Monciano Kinis. Up. Alitarat. Offensive foul. Jersey number 30. Kit. Bona Obra. Pira ng foul ni Kit. First personal foul. Penalty. Yan na. Monciano. Tumukan ng 3. No good. Okay. Loose ball. Iraya's ball. 4-46. George Sinus. Iraya. Ang oras na 4:46. Score 4-3 in favor sa Iraya. Back to the ball game between Iraya and Warshak. Iraya's ball. Luzado running the ball. Pass to Salazar.
Salazar, nagahap ng pasahan. Pass to Kit Monobra. Kit Monobra. Osporet. Jersey number 91, Butalon. Okay, 2 free throw, hacking foul. First throw by Kit Butalon. Yes, good for 1 point. Okay, jumpers ready for the last throw. Pag nakalaw, stop. Kit. Pakaraya na, Kit. Dali na, Kit. Last free throw. Masawayin ka, Kit. Okay, jumpers ready. Okay, rebound by Gunabra, Kit. No good. Rebound by Reyes. Jersey number 17. Pass to Ronaldo. 10 to shoot. Gunabra, Kit. Post foul rep. Blocking foul. Post foul rep. Jersey number 1, 91. Blocking foul. Sub rep. Butalon out. Bueno in. Butalon out. Bueno in. Butalon jersey number 91. Second personal foul. Second team foul. First throw, Kit, no good. Okay, jumpers ready for the last throw by Kit Monobra. No good, up. Ano ito, ref? Number 17, pushing foul. Turnover. Penalty, ref. Penalty, ref. Penalty, tabi. Penalty. Jersey number 17, Reyes, first personal foul, penalty. Ang oras, 4:21. Okay. Takin yan takin. Para tayo matagitan. Jersey number 29, first throw, no good. Okay, jumpers. Ready for the last throw by Bueno. Jersey number 21, 29. Lugod, rebound by Luzano. Ang lakas. Luzano nagmamadali. Still by Bunaumra. Pass to Sabarisa. Sabarisa nagmamadali. Yes, good for 2 points, Sabarisa. Jersey number 13, Salazar. Up, post power up. Post power up, not counted. Jersey number 7, blocking foul. Okay. Jersey number 7, foul. First personal foul, third team foul. Side ball. Salazar, pass to Kit Monobra. Pass to Bernardo. Pass to Kit Monobra. Nagmamadali. Yes, good for 2 points. Kit Monobra. Monciano. Nagdadala ng bola. Ayan na. Monciano. Yes, good for 2 points. Jersey number 18, Monciano. Kine. Salazar. Pass to Kit. Kumuha ng 3. Lugod. Rebound by Bueno. Jersey number 29. Pass to Monciano. To Sabarisa. Sabarisa to Bunaumra Anthony. Aras by Kit Bunaumra. Lugod. Rebound by Lundano. Pass break by Salazar. Lugod. Jerry Boy. Rebound by Sabarisa. Rebound by Bunaumra. Lugod. Rebound by Bueno. Ano ito rin? 3 seconds violation. Reyes ball. Ano ito rin? Tables timeout. Tasa. Rania. Daimanan. Araban talaga kaan. Ano rin? Okay na. Araban kaan. Alin na. Okay. Kis. Nagdadala ang bola. Pass to Bernardo. To Bonaw Prakit. Lugod. Oh. Rebound by Reyes. Oh. Osmoret. 20. Hacking foul. Warning for penalty. Warshak. Jersey number 20. Pira na tabi ang foul. First personal foul. Warning for penalty palang ref. Side. Sub ref. Bonaw Anthony. To Barbante. Warshak. Warning for penalty. Ang oras 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Rebound by Bueno to Munchano. Yes, good for 2 points. Munchano. Rodado. To Bernardo. To Salazar. Still by Sabarisa to Munchano. Ano ito rin? Number 6. Hacking foul. Take 2. Sabret. Salazar out. Rodado out. Salazar in. Salazar out. Jesus in. Anthony. Tuani. First row by Kenneth. Lugod. Okay, jumpers ready for the last row by jersey number 18. Munchano. Yes, good for 1 point. Munchano. Score 17. Warshak. Kit Bonobra. Pass to Reyes. Yes, good for 2 point. Reyes. Pinaluwa pa. 19. Ang score 19. Salazar. Munchano. Yes, good for 2 points, Munchano. Bonobra. Todisos. Lugod, rebound by Sabarisa. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Osmauret. Jersey number 17. Okay. 3 free throw. Technical foul. Landing area.
Yes, 1 point. Ready numbers for the last round. Okay, 2 pa, sorry. Yes, another 1 point. Okay, ready numbers for the last round. Jersey number 7, Savarisa. Yes, another 1 point. A total of 3 points. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Kendro Dilana may hawak ng bola. To Salazar for 2. No good. Rebound by Mai Tausarat. Foul committed by jersey number 30. Kendro Dilana. Wait lang po. Okay, Kendro Dilana. Second personal foul, penalty. Ang score 9-15. 9-15. No good. Yes, 1 point. Bernardo, jersey number 19, pass to Salazar to Jesus for 3. No good. Mai Tausarat, foul committed by jersey number 7, Sabarisa. Sabarisa, second personal foul, penalty. situation. Sublet, Sabarisa out. Broso in. Remain playing time 1 minute and 9. Players awarded 2 free throws. No good. Ready jumpers for the last round. Jersey number 17. Reyes. No good. Followed by jersey number 29. Bueno. First personal foul penalty. Taraman na. No good. Ready jumpers for the last round. Kuya Bernardo. Yes, 1 point. 10-16, 1 minute and 8 seconds. Monchano. To another Monchano. Back to Monchano. 4-2. No good. Rebound by Bueno. 10 to shoot. Yes, 2 points. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 40. 40 to shoot. Quintanilla 4-3, no good. Salazar, no good. 30 seconds. Yes, 2 points. Reyes. 25 seconds. 20. 15. Offensive foul, jersey number 18. Monchano. 12 seconds. Okay, first personal foul of Monchano, jersey number 18. 12 seconds. 10. 5. End of the first quarter, running score 12-18 in favor of Team Warsaw. Ating yung ball sa gabos na nagiling ito yung third game. We have the game between Warsaw and Iraya. Junior B Division of your Hilo 2024. Resume the ball game for the second quarter. Monchano will pass to Williams back to Monchano for 2. Yes! 2 points, this is number 18. Kenneth Monchano came through the line now, dribbling the ball, pass to Marty. 4-3. No good, rebound by Salazar. 4-2. No good. Sabi, same ball, ang wala sa Raya. 14 to shoot. Bernardo will pass to Bonavra, jersey number 30. Last ball, same ball, 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Came through the line. Yes, 2 points. Came through the line. Pressing ball pass to Monchano. To Bonavra. Back to Monchano. To Bonavra. Back to Monchano. 4-2. No good. Traveling violation. Okay, shoot. Bonavra will pass to Braso. Back to Bonavra. My towel sa ref, foul committed by jersey number 30. Kit, third personal foul, first team foul. Sabrat, 18 out, Sabarisa in. Bonabra out, Salazar in. Baraban inbound pass to Bolio sa jersey number 10. 40 to shoot. 3-second violation. Turnover, Elias ball. Bernardino pass to Jerry Salazar. To Martin. To Salazar for 2. No good. Rebound by Brussels, long pass to Barbante. No good. Nakuha ni Bonabra. Bonabra to Barbante. Counted. Followed by jersey number 1, Bonabra. Third personal foul, second team foul. Barbante awarded a total shot. Good. Foul committed by jersey number 15, Barbante. First personal foul, first team foul. Bernardo, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Barbante still by Bonabra. No good. Rebound by Barbante. To Boliasa, jersey number 10. To Sabarisa, back to Boliasa. To Brosso, back to Boliasa, 10 to shoot. 3 points to Boliasa. Still by Boliasa. Traveling violation. 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Okay na? Okay na, tara.
Salazar rebound pass to Bonabra. Bonabra, jersey number 1 is now dribble the ball. Pass to Salazar. To another Salazar. Jerry for 2. No good. Rebound by Bernardo to Nodado. No good. Rebound by Brosso. To Mira. No good. Nakuha ni Sabarisa. To Mira. No good. Rebound by Nodado. For 2. Yes. 2 points. Nodado. Sabarisa is now dribble. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 20. Back to jersey number 7. To Barbante. Back to Sabarisa to Boliasa for 3. 3 points. Boliasa. Bonabra. To Salazar. For 3. No good. Rebound by Barbante to Sabarisa. To Boliasa. To Sabarisa. For 3. No good. Rebound by Barbante. Michael Sarap. Fouled by jersey number 19. Bernardo. Charge timeout. Iraya. Remaining playing time after the timeout. 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Running score 28-16 in favor of Team Russia. You are watching the Euro Cup 2024. Happy viewing, Aiden Bright Bonabra. Score 28-16. Our score. Okay, let's resume the whole game. Second quarter. 4 minutes and 28.
Yes, another 1 point. Barbante. No another one pass to King Rodelan.
2. Loose ball. Save ball.
16 to shoot.
Backcourt violation.
4 minutes and 19 seconds. Bolgasa, jersey number 10. Pass to Savarisa. Savarisa to Miran. No good. Loose ball. Save ball. 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Obra, 4-3. No good. Nakuha ni Bonobra. Tubar Bante, Tumira. No. Tuban by Reyes. Reyes. To Kit. Alas by Monchano. 40 to shoot. Kit. No good. Tuban by Bonobra. To Boliasa. To Sabarisa. To Monchano. Yes, to boy. Monchano. Still by Boliasa. Boliasa to Bonobra. Yes, to boy. Another good pass to Bonobra. Bonobra jersey number 30 to Salazar. Foul. Foul. Committed by jersey number 20. Bonobra. Sabrap.
Diamond po.
Bonobra second personal foul, second team foul. Ready jumpers for the last throw of jersey number 2. Salazar. Bolgasa jersey number 10 to Bonobra. To Monchano, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Samarisa for 2. No good. Nakuha ni Nodado. Long pass to Kit. To Salazar for 2. Yes, this is the point. Salazar. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Monchano. My Calcera committed by jersey number 6, Nodado. Sabrat. Reyes out. Desisi. Salazar out. Bernal Bahim. Nodado. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Still by Nodado. Nodado may Calcera. Foul committed by jersey number 10. Boliasa. Boliasa. First personal foul. Third team foul. Sabrap. Sabarisa out. Charge. Time out. Workshop. Remaining playing time after the timeout, 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Score 18-34 in favor of Worship. Happy viewing, Aiden Blythe Bonobra. Ang resume na mga game.
2 minutes and 28 seconds.
No good. Ready, jumpers? No, Divantay Bonabra to Barbante. To Monciano, jersey number 18. Pinasakay bola sa binalik kay Monciano. 40 to shoot. To Bonabra for two. No good. Divantay. Loose ball. Loose ball, turnover. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Bernardo to Jesus for three. No good, rebound by Bonabra. To Monciano. Monciano's na doing the ball. 14 to shoot. 10. Kick for two. Yes, this is 2 points. Kick for Dilan. 20-34. Monciano to another Monciano. No good. Rebound by Jesus. To Bernardo to Bonabra. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Monciano. Lang pass to Monciano. To Bonabra. Bonabra. No good. Rebound by Martin. Jersey number 1. No good. Rebound by Barbante. To Bonabra. Last 1 minute. Lifting. 55 seconds. Rebound by Bonabra. Last ball. Ang bola sa Waisa. 47 seconds. Last ball, same ball. 40 seconds. Monciano. Monciano 3 points. 30 seconds. Jesus for 3 points. Gabriel Jesus. 18. 15 seconds. 10. 5. End of the second quarter, running score 37-23 in favor of Team Washa. You are watching the Euro Cup 2024. Happy birthday, Joram. Ayusin na mag-game for the third quarter game between Iraya and Washa. Third quarter. Madaling ball pasok, Quinto Rodelan, Podesos. This one, same ball. Yaw ibang pasok. Kitro Dilan to Gabriel Jesus. The good. Rebound by Barbante. To Bonabra. For to shoot. Ball is 10. 5. Nakuha ni Marty, long pass to Kit. He has 2 points. Kitro Dilan. Kenneth Monchano is now dribble the ball. Monchano for 2. No good. Rebound by Bonabra, still by Nodano. Nodano for 2. Yes, 2 points. Boliosa ibang pass to Barbate, jersey number 15. Pass to Boliosa, back to Barbate. Back to Boliosa, 40 to shoot. To Monchano, 2 points. Kid, Martin. To Bernardo. 40 to shoot. Kid for 3. 3 points. 30-39. 9-point lead, Warshak. Bonabra. Yes, 2 points. Kid is down to the ball. Last 8 minutes. To Bernardo. 2 points. Bernardo. Barbate to Monchano. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Los ball. Ang bola sa Sabrag. Barbate out. Bolio sa in. Ang bola sa Raya. Nodano. Rebound pass to Kit. To Bonabra. Bonabra last by Monchano. Nodano for 2. No good. Rebound by Boliosa. Jersey number 8. To jersey number 18. Kenneth Monchano. To another Boliosa. To Boliosa. To Bonabra for 2. Yes, 2 points. Bonabra, jersey number 30. To Bonabra, jersey number 1. 14 to shoot. Bonabra, 4-3. No good. Nakuha ni Kit. Loose ball, same ball. 12 to shoot. Loose ball, same ball. Sabrak. Monchano out. Botaloni, 11 to shoot. Ten. Bonabra for 2. No good. Rebound by Boliosa. Haras by Nodano. Pass to Monchano. Monchano for 2. Yes, 2 points. Send it. Monchano. 7 on the line. Ang bola sa Warshak. Remaining playing time 6 minutes and 42 seconds. 32-45. 32-45. Marabay pass to Boliosa for 2. Wala. Nakuha ni Yao. To Nodano. To Bonabra. Bonabra to Bonabra for 3. Nag-rebound by Bonabra. To Boliosa. Boliosa, Monchano. 14 to shoot. To Boliosa. 10 to shoot. To Boliosa, jersey number 8. Blocked by Bernardo. Nakuha ni Jesus to Bonabra. No good. Rebound by Bonabra.
Loose ball. Ang bola sa Iraya. Last 6 minutes. Bonabra. Tumira. Yes, 2 points. Bonabra. Bola sa ibang pass sa Bonabra. To bola sa jersey number 10. Tumuchano. 14 to shoot. To Bonabra. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Kuya Port. Back to Munchanon. Yes, Munchano finish. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Bondado for 2. May personal foul committed by jersey number 8. Bolyasa. First personal foul. First team foul. Bondado already 2 free throws. Okay, no good. Ready jumpers for the last round. Jersey number 6. Nodado of Team Iraya. Kuali Kuya Port, pigasan kay Kenneth. For Bolyasa. 4-3. 3 points. Bolyasa. May tao sa loob, pag-red by jersey number 18. Machado. Sabrat. Okay, brawl in. Monchano Kirit. Second personal foul, second team foul. On score, 34-50. Another Sabrat. Nodado out, Kevin Salazar in. 34-50. Bernardo, ibang paso, Salazar, to Bonabra, no good. Nakuha ni loose ball. Ang bola sa Iraya. 14 to shoot. Bernardo, ibang paso, Keith. To Bernardo, yes, this is the point. Bernardo. Butalong ibang paso. Monchano. Remaining playing time, 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Bonabra. To Monchano, jersey number 18. 14, no good. Rebound by Bernardo. Looking for a teammate. To Bonabra. To Bonabra Martin. Offensive foul, Martin. Bonabra. Bonabra, jersey number 1, warning. 4 fouled out. Sabret. Bonabra. Salazari. Monchano is now available 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 14 to shoot, Bolyasa. No good, rebound by Bonabra, no good. Rebound by Bolyasa to Botalon. 3 seconds, violation. Ang bola sa Iraya turnover. Bonabra to Bron. Yes, the points. 38-50, 12-point lead, one shot. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Monchano, 14 to shoot. Bolyasa, 10 to shoot. Nakuha ni Salazar, pass to Jerry. Jerry Salazar, no good. Jump ball. Ang bola sa workshop.
Sabrep.
Sabalyosa.
Ano? Bolyosa out. Sabarisa in. Three minutes and 30 seconds. Traveling violation. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Bernardo won pass to Salazar. Salazar to Bonabra. Bonabra to Bernardo. Loose ball. Turnover. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Bola sa won pass to Sabarisa. To Monciano. Monciano to Botalon. Yes, 2 points. Botalon. Last 3 minutes. Foul committed by jersey number 8, Bolyosa. Bolyosa, second personal foul. Third team foul. Yes, the points. And 45 seconds. Bola to Sabarisa. 4-3. 3 points. Sabarisa. Salazar to Bonabra. 4-3. Nagod rebound by Bonabra to Sabarisa. Sabarisa is now doing the ball pass to Bonabra. Back to Sabarisa. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Salazar. Nakuha ni Bolyosa. No good. Nakuha ni Salazar. Pass to Bron. To Bonabra. To Bron. 3 second violation. 1 minute and 59 seconds. Bonabra inbound pass to Monciano, jersey number 18. Kenneth Monciano. 40 to shoot. Monciano, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Salazar to Bonabra. To Bernardo. Back to Bonabra. Kick. 2 points. 1 minute and 35 seconds. 1 minute and 25. 14 to shoot. No good. Nakuha ni Monciano. Tumira. Yes, 2 points. Salazar to Bron. 1 minute and 10 seconds to Bonabra. Kick. No good. Nakuha ni Monciano. 1 minute. May Talsere foul with by number 25. Bron. Puga. Bron, third. Personal foul, second team foul. Sabrep Bonabra out, Benosa in. Monciano awarded into free throws. No good. Last 1 point. 59 seconds. 55. 50. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Salazar, 4-3. No good. 40 seconds. Yes, to avoid Bron. 35. 30. 25. Nagulibang ba Bernardo to Salazar.
20. Salazar, no good. 15. 10. 5. End of the third quarter. End of the third quarter. Running score 54-58. 44-58, sorry. Ang score 44-59. Let's resume the movement for the fourth and final quarter. Game between Iraya and Warsaw.
Nag-jumble daw po. Okay. Thank you. Happy viewing. Jowa ng Ray Bueno.
Bonavra to Salazar. Still by Bonavra.
Still by Bonavra. Still by Bonavra. Stepping on the line.
Sige na, kuma na.
Bonavra will pass to Salazar.
Jerry Salazar is now doing the ball. Pass to Kit Torres. Looking for Simito Bernardo to Bonavra. Time to shoot. 3 points. Kit Bonavra. Bonavra will pass to Gonzalo Kenneth. Pass to Borriasa. To Borriasa. For 2. No good. Rebound by Martin Bonavra. Bonavra, no good. Rebound by Borriasa. Still by Salazar. To Bonavra. May tag set. Foul committed by jersey number 91. Botalon. Third personal foul. First team foul. Bonavra awarded the 2 free throws. Galing ang first foul nila sa Bonavra, jersey number 1 of Team Iraya.
Yes, 1 point.
Gonzalo, dribble the ball. To Borriasa, to Miralles. 2 points. Salazar, to Bonavra. Bonavra for 2. Nagod na ball ng Bernardo. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Nagod. Bumagay Bonavra. 10 to shoot. Salazar. Nagod. Bumagay Borriasa. To Monciano. To Borriasa, jersey number 10. To Borriasa. May foul set. Foul committed by jersey number 17. Reyes. Third personal foul. First team foul. Borriasa, jersey number 8. Awarded 8 to free throws. Yes, 1 point.
ready jumpers for the last row of Kuya Boliosa. Counted. Okay, ang bola sa area. Counted po ito. 63-48. Bunabra kick to Bunabra Martin 4-3. No good. Tubag by Butalon. Ang bola sa Warshak. Moncharo to Bunabra. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Monchano. No good. Nakuha ni Reyes foul. Number 18. Monchano. Monchano, Kenneth. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Bernardino pass to Salazar. Salazar to Bunabra. To Bunabra kick for 3. 3 points. Kick Bunabra. 51-63. Monchano. Monchano 3 points. Salazar ikot Arthur. Bunabra may tausiran. Counted. Counted. Foul by jersey number 91. Botalon. Botalon. 44 foul out. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Sabran Botalon out. Bo Barbante. Team. Ang tatlo oras 7 minutes. Yes, 1 point. Bunabra umabas sa Barbante to Boliosa. Back to Monchano. 40 to shoot. To Barbante. Silvay Reyes. Foul committed by jersey number 8. Boliosa. Boliosa. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Charge timeout. Warshak. Remaining playing time after the timeout 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Running score 54-66. Happy viewing Talia, Jesus and Brian. Aiden Blythe. Our score 54-66. Happy viewing Joy Duran and company. So dahil magbabayad, maraming dahil magbayad na. Thank you. Okay, let's resume the ball game. Warning for penalty pala. Warning for penalty pala po. Natatalawa na 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Ang timeout po ka one shot gawa ang Iraya Tolo. Bunabra ingon pass to Salazar. To Bunabra kick for 3. No good. Rebound by Martin for 2. No good. Rebound by Boliosa. Boliosa looking for teammate. Jump ball. Ang bola sa Warshak. Monchano will pass to Bunabra, pass to Monchano, Kenneth. To Boliosa. To Boliosa, 4-2. Counted. Counted. Foul by jersey number 17, Reyes. Reyes. Warning for foul out, second team foul. Boliosa awarded a bonus shot.
Yes, 1 point naman 3 points. Bonabra. Torres. Nakuha ni Borja ang bola. Pinasa kay Borja 40. Yes. 2 points. Borja. Bonabra, jersey number 1. Last 6 minutes. Salsa, nagod, rebound by Barbante. To Borja. Bola sa Monciano. 4-3. Nagod. Loose ball, turnover. Bonabra pass to Reyes. To Bonabra, pass to Bonabra, Martin. Loose ball. Same ball. Remaining play time, 5 minutes and 36 seconds. Nakuha ni Monciano, pinasa kay Borja. Yes. 2 points. Charge timeout, called by Team Iraya. Remaining playing time after the timeout, 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Running score, 54-73. Happy viewing kay Joanna Garibeno and Brian Navil. Tignan lang po kamong timeout, both teams. Iraya and Warshak, 2 timeouts each.
Laban mo na, boy. 5:26. 5:26.
Okay, let's resume the ball game. Last quarter, 5 minutes, 26 seconds. Aide. Bonabra hit for Bernardo. Yes. 2 points. Borja sa iwan, pass to Bonabra, jersey number 20. Pass to Monciano. Monciano for 2, no good. Iwan ba, loose ball, same ball. 14 to shoot. 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Time to shoot. Nakuha ni Bonabra for 2. Loose ball. Loose ball. Same ball. Same ball. Okay. Bonabra will pass to Bonabra. Bonabra. 14 to shoot. Tori Salazar. 2 points. Salazar. Bola sa to Bonabra to Barbante. To Barbante. 14 to shoot. Bonabra. Loose ball, turnover. Turnover. 4 minutes and 29. Bonabra to Bernardo for 3. Nagod. Nakuha ni Bonabra to Borja to Monciano. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Loose ball. Same ball. 7 shot clock. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot.
5. Foul by number 20. Bonobra. Bonobra. Third personal foul. Penalty. Both teams figure out timeout. Last 1 point. Ready jumpers for the last 4 minutes. Yes, another 1 point. Bonobra to Bolyasa. Nakuha ni Bonobra. Alas pa Bolyasa. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 8. Bolyasa. Bolyasa warning for fouled out. Penalty. Timeout called by Washak. Relay playing time 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Ang timeout ng Washak darating na Iraya Dewapa. Natatandang oras 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Ang score 60-73. 13-point lead by Team Washak. Happy viewing, Rider Blind, Bonobra. Okay, let's resume the whole game. Last quarter, last 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Keep Bonobra, awarded it to. No good. Ready jumpers for the last round. Keep Bonobra, happy viewing, Joanna Marie Bueno. No good. Foul committed by number 2, Salazar. Salazar! Number 2, first personal foul, third, team foul. Bolyasa to Barbante, to Monchano. Monchano to Mirano, good. Block by Bernardo, to Bolyasa. Counted! Counted foul committed by number 5. Counted. Foul committed by number 19, Bernardo. Warning for penalty. Kuya Bernardo, third personal foul. Bolyasa awarded the bonus shot. No good. Nabali Bolyasa. Yes, harap by Bolyasa. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul committed by number 15, Barbante. Barbante, second personal foul penalty. 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Yes, 1 point. Ready jumpers. Last of jersey number 1, Bonobra. No good. Iban by Barbante. Pass to Bolyasa. Still by Bernardo to Bonobra. Bonobra to Mark. Foul committed by jersey number 15, Barbante. Barbante, third personal foul penalty. Sabret. Salazar out. De Jesus in. Bonabra awarded 8-2. Free throws. Yes, 1 point. Rolling jumpers, last row of Bonabra. 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Yes, 1 point. Babalik pass to Boyosa to Monciano. Monciano to Boyosa. Counted. Fouled with by jersey number 19. Bernardo. Warning for fouled out. Penalty. Boyosa awarded a bonus shot. No good. Rebound by Sigaw. Jesus. Offensive foul. Gabriel. Jesus. Gabriel. First. Carrying the ball. Ang bola sa last 3 minutes. Kick. Yes, the points. Agwahon. Bola sa naging first teammate to Monciano. Tumira sa 3. Good. Rebound by Bonabra. To Boyosa. Tumira. Block by Nadado. To Jesus pinang sa kay Martin. Yes, this is the ball of Martin. 67. Timeout called by Team Warshak. Close timeout, Team Warshak. Ay natapos ang oras. Hoy Billy, ang oras 2 minutes 24 seconds. Ang score, 67-79. 2 minutes and 24 seconds remaining playing time for the fourth and final quarter. Happy viewing. Very good.
224. Nag-last 2 minutes ko na? Last 3 minutes. Go 24.
Okay, gusto na mag-game. One shot, close time out na po mo. Aki Raya. Dua pa pa time out. 2:24. 2 minutes and 24. 24. Bola sa jersey number 10. Pass to Barbante. To Monciano. 40 to shoot. Foul committed by jersey number 6. Nodado. Third. Personal foul. Penalty. Monciano awarded 2 free throws. Yes, 1 point. Nari Yummers for the last of Kenneth Monciano. Yes, another 1 point. Kenneth Monciano. Bernardo got pass to Bonabra. Foul committed by jersey number 18, Monciano. Warning for fouled out penalty situation. Last 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Penalty.
Bonobra awarded 8 free throws. No good. Running number 4 the last round. Bonobra. Foul by number 15, Barbante. Roughly 4 fouls out, Barbante. Penalty. Angelino Wahides with free throws. No good. Okay, ready number 4 the last round, Gabriel. Jesus. No good, nakuha ni Gabriel. Pinasa kay Bonobra. Petition. No good. Pumuntaan Barbante. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute and 55. 1 minute and 50. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Please. Balik ko rin. Tanod po. Di kayo tanod. Gilid na po. Please. Meron ko tanod po. Tanod. Tanod. Gilid na po. Tanod po. Pagilid na po. Gumana po sa narong side. Okay. Makikilid na po. Okay, so pagilid na po. Okay, na naman kita matuloy kang kawat ha. Hey, salad po. Kuya. Okay, all players of Iraya, please proceed to the Barangay Hall. All players of Team Iraya. And congratulations, Team Warshop. And our player of the game is jersey number. Jersey number, player of the game. Jersey number 18, Kenneth Monchano.
Gana. Kasi ang gana, one. One. One, isang gana po.
29 points. Congratulations.